guys, welcome to Tech Avijit. In this video we will be checking out how to add text. So let's get started. This is here a scene in Blender. So click A. We will delete it and add a studio. Type Max. So Shift A Mesh. Let's add a plane by S key 8. Scale it by 8 and then go to edit mode and then select this and this edge extrude Z 12, make it, select this and control V, so it will add this type of, and scroll it nearly, I think, let's hit it smooth. Let's add a text, shift a text, so let's scale by 6. Okay, rotate Z 90 degrees, grab it on Y axis by G and Y. So once you have grab it on Z axis a bit, okay. And now to right click, extrude size, make it extrude while you're hovering your mouse. And then what you have to do is go here again and let's add some materials here. Let's say new material and let's make it yellow. So let's make it yellowish tint. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so now it is done. Let's add a shift element. Let me add a sun here. Done. And go here, change it to this white. And once you're done, go to the viewport to see how it looks. So it looks like this. You can give a background color. If you know chroma key, you can just give it a green color like this. Looks good. 0. We don't have any camera in your scene because it will not see here. Shift A. Okay. Let's shift A. Take camera. 0. And then N to open this panel. Camera to view, unlock view. Okay. This is perfect. And shift key, bring it. I was thinking to scale it a bit because it is just okay, done. Okay, so to change fonts, go to this A and fonts and change the font whichever you want. I will take this. There is my favorite font named Target. So this is my Target. Okay, just scale it up till this. That's done. So it is done. Let us take it to something around this. Done. And now if you render this image, this will give you a text on your scene. So you can use this text in many various things like editing and all other stuff. For this video,
2000 years later.
this only will meet in another class or Blender Master class. Till then, bye bye.